You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting name pronunciation. Most often it is pronounced as Stephen. Yes, just like Stephen spelled with a V instead of PH, Stephen. That's how most Stephens pronounce their name, but some pronounce it as Stephen as well, as famously the NBA player Stephen Curry. Well, he says it as Stephen. So Stephen or Stephen. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.